In today's video, I will walk you through how to download the 1099 form on Robinhood Legend. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. To begin, open Robinhood through the official platform and make sure you are signed in so you can access your account settings and tax documents. Once you are inside, go to the upper right corner of the screen and click the human-like icon to open your account menu. From there, select View More Details under the Margin section, which will open a new window with additional account options. Inside this window, click Account and then look for the Tax Center option in the drop-down menu. Click Tax Center to open the area where all your tax-related documents are stored. Once you are inside the Tax Center, locate the section labeled Tax Documents where your records are organized by year. You will also see a drop-down menu that lets you choose different tax years linked to your account. Click the drop-down and select the year you want to view. If you only have 1 year available, it will be the only option shown. After selecting the year, the system will load the available tax forms for that period. Look through the documents and locate your 1099 form, which may also appear as a consolidated tax document depending on your account activity. Once you find it, look for the download options available for that document. You can choose to download a CSV file if you want transaction details, or select the PDF option to download your official tax form. Click Download PDF to save the 1099 form to your device. After downloading, the file will be stored on your computer, where you can open it anytime for review or tax filing purposes. If you need to check a different year, go back to the drop-down menu and select another tax year to view additional documents. This allows you to switch between current and past tax records whenever needed, without repeating the setup process. Once everything is downloaded, your 1099 form is ready for use from the Robinhood Tax Center.